Namaskaram, Juhar. My name is Amulya Pratap Lakara. I'm a proud farmer and founder of Kisan Sathi Foundation. So it's been like more than 8 years I have been practicing sustainable agriculture. Desertification, land degradation and drought are not just an environmental concern. I think these are the threat to our very survival. I don't know why people are not talking about this, but I think this is something which we need to talk about and think about it. See, the fact is our own health is directly connected with the soil health, and the problem is the soil health is losing its own health because of the wrong practices we have adopted in our agriculture practices. As a result, the microorganisms present in the soil are already started dying, which causing problems like desertification, land degradation and drought. What if I tell you there is a solution to heal our planet, restore its fertility and build a strong resilience against all these challenges? Yes, there is a solution, which is natural farming. Let's explore the potential of natural farming. What is natural farming? So natural farming is an agriculture practice where law of nature are applied in agriculture practice. It is based on agroecology and integrate with plant, trees, crops, livestock with functional biodiversity. So basically through the natural farming we try to improve the microorganism activity in the soil, which helps to improve the organic content in the soil. So first we will discuss what is desertification. So this is a soil because it has got some organic content in it, right? So if I bring out the organic content from it, it will turn into sand, and this is what exactly happening in all across the world. So soil is losing its organic content, which causing problems like desertification. And secondly, what is land degradation? Land degradation is also directly related to organic content. Okay, so less organic content means less fertility, and less fertility tends to land degradation. And the third is drought. So we all are experiencing a major climate change, right? And drought is one of the major concern. And I don't know whether you're gonna believe me or not, but if we can improve the organic content in the soil, we can somehow tackle drought problem as well, because a healthy soil has a potential to retain water and has the ability to get water from the atmosphere. You can verify whatever I am saying, whether it is correct or not. So as I briefed about how by improving organic content in the soil can help us to tackle with the upcoming problems. And as I said earlier, I have been practicing natural farming since long time. I have some data, I have some scientific evidence, and I have some farmers feedback. Based on it, I'm 100% sure to say this: natural farming can play a crucial role to improve organic content in the soil. So natural farming is not a solution for desertification, land degradation and drought. It is a path towards better and healthier planet and sustainable future for our future generation. So the major goal of our organization is to promote natural farming for sustainable agriculture and find a sustainable solution for the upcoming challenges. I promise you, we will keep aware people, farmers, government, bureaucrats, everyone. I just need your support, help and blessings for this noble cause. Namaskaram, Juhar.